In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voiceovers to your Substack posts. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin your process by opening your web browser and navigating to the main Substack website. Substack serves as a modern platform designed to empower creators and foster a vibrant community of readers and writers. As you arrive at the site, take a moment to appreciate its dynamic interface and the wealth of creative opportunities it offers. After you have landed on the Substack homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in option, which is conveniently placed to allow quick access to your personal dashboard. By clicking on sign in, you are provided with the space where your credentials help verify your identity and bring up the tools and settings uniquely tailored for managing your posts, subscribers, and overall online presence. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be guided to your Substack homepage. This area acts as your command center, offering an organized overview of your published content and draft articles. It is here that you can seamlessly manage your creative work, adjusting text, images, and now even audio elements. As you continue, your next action is to click on the area dedicated to your posts. This portion of the website is specifically designed to list all your writings, providing easy access to either start a new piece or modify an existing article. This step is critical as it moves you one step closer to integrating multimedia elements with your written content. Within the list of your posts, select the specific article where you would like to add a voiceover. This selection process helps ensure that you are editing the intended content, particularly important when you have several posts running concurrently. Focus on the post that will benefit most from added auditory context, whether it is a story meant to be read aloud or an interview that gains depth from a narrator's voice. After having selected your desired post, proceed by entering the edit mode. In this mode, you gain full access to modify all aspects of your article. The editing interface is intuitive, presenting options for text formatting, image insertion, and further customization to make your post as engaging as possible. This is your creative space, where every element can be adjusted to match your vision. Within edit mode, locate the feature that allows you to insert audio. This is a straightforward process, as the interface clearly labels the option, ensuring a smooth user experience. By clicking on the Insert Audio feature, you set the stage for further enhancements to your post. Now that you have activated the audio insertion tool, the final task is to click on the voiceover option. This element of the process completes the integration, enabling you to embed a recorded narration that will accompany your written content. The voiceover adds a personal touch, making your post not only visually appealing but also engaging through sound. Following this detailed journey, you have successfully enhanced your Substack post with a voiceover. By methodically progressing through each stage, from accessing the Substack homepage to activating the voiceover insertion, the process is designed to be accessible and efficient, leaving you with a dynamic piece of content that resonates on multiple sensory levels. Enjoy this new way of connecting with your audience as your posts now speak, not only to the eyes but also directly to the ears.